Aloha from Maui. I thought it might be a good time to share the practice of oponopono. Yeah, there's two ponos in Hono. Oponopono. It's the ancient Hawaiian way of doing a forgiveness mantra to clear issues. It's particularly good when you're stuck on something, which no one ever is. Yes, well. So, pono means to cause, to make it happen. Pono means to make it right. So when you put pono to cause, pono to make it right, like you double it. Pono. It's really to make a big shift. Now, you can do it the way most people do it is they do it on one person they want to forgive or one situation. But I learned from Sandra Ray back in Honolulu in 2001 a technique that she found from a Hawaiian elder that's really the ancient, really the deep secret to way to clear things. And the way you do it is, well, first of all, ho'oponopono are you say four things. And you say it 100 times, 108 times. Some people say 70 times. You're repeating that you forgive that person. Now, the truth is, it really doesn't matter how many times you say it. The point is to do it sincerely. And if you happen to say the four phrases 108 times, pretty possible you will land on some very sincere moments within that 108. So the four things you say are, I am sorry, I forgive you, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, I forgive you, thank you, I love you. You repeat that 108 times. Now, when you start it, you want to center yourself, you want to meditate or think about what you want to work on forgiveness for. But the ancient way that I learned is you take 10 minutes, you take a notebook, and you write down everything that comes to mind. Every person, every possession, every issue. And you'll be amazed at the things that you think about. Childhood friends, past work issues, your boss, your mother, your brother, your sister, everybody, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, your dog, your house. You write your car that frustrates you. You write down everything. So in other words, you dump the brain on paper. You dump it on paper. For 10 minutes, you just write down everything that comes to mind. And then you take that sheet of paper and you're going to meditate. So you're going to give all that stuff back. You're going to let it go. And you're going to say 108 times, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. It's actually, thank you. I love you. Wow. The first time I did this, I went to a Sandra Ray workshop in Honolulu, and I was like a new real estate agent, and I had bought some properties, and I was really in trouble. Like, I had so much debt, and there was a property that I owned with two partners, and we couldn't sell it. And it was such a weight. And I had two other houses for sale. I was just really, really stressed. And I did that dumping on paper for 10 minutes. I wrote everything down. I wrote the names of my partner. I wrote the addresses. I wrote everything. And as a group, we did that meditation. And again, it's, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And the next morning, wow, we got an offer on that property, and it was sold in like 10 days. And I got so many ideas, and just like everything shifted. So if you have a situation where you're being held up energetically by other people or situations, forgiving them releases it. And did you notice that it says, please forgive me? Because it takes two to tango. It always takes two, so you don't tell them you forgive them. That's what we think we need to do. We say, please forgive me for my part in this. And wow, watch the miracles happen. And let me know. Try it and put in the comments what happens. What kind of miracles happen? Hono, pono, pono.